Hello everyone. In this session, we will be discussing an important topic of inorganic chemistry, that is general thermal stability of ionic compounds. We will study the general trend of thermal stability of ionic compounds mainly in group 1 and 2. Now, what do you mean by thermal stability? Thermal stability means stability towards temperature or heat. Stability towards heat means if you are heating the compound, how much stable it is. So if we take an example of lithium carbonate, if it is heated, it easily decomposes to form lithium oxide and carbon dioxide. Easily decompose हो जाएगा. If you are heating sodium carbonate, it will not decompose, means this reaction will not take place. That means lithium carbonate is thermally unstable and sodium carbonate is thermally stable compound. Higher the decomposition temperature means higher the temperature required to decompose that compound, more will be the thermal stability of that compound. So if we are studying this thermal stability in the same group, generally we study the properties in the same group. So for same group cations, anions may be monoatomic or they may be polyatomic. So anions may be of two kinds, monoatomic and polyatomic. Monoatomic means which are made of only one atom, like oxide ion have all the halide ions, nitride ion N3 minus, hydride ion, sulfide, phosphide. All these are monoatomic, and in such cases the thermal stability is directly proportional to lattice energy. Thermal stability is directly proportional to lattice energy. And what does lattice energy depends upon? Lattice energy is directly proportional to charge and inversely proportional to distance between the ions. Distance between ions. Now, for the same group, if we are discussing in the same group, charge will remain same. So what will change? The distance between the ions. So charge it may be written as lattice energy is directly proportional to Q plus into Q minus. That is charge on cation and charge on anion. If this is your compound, this is cation and this is anion, the charge on cation into charge of anion और इनके बीच में जो डिस्टेंस होगा वो r है, divided by this r will be equal to radius of cation plus radius of anion. So it is radius of cation plus radius of anion. For the same group, charge will remain same. So what will change? Radius of cation will change. Now as we move from top to bottom in any group, if we are discussing for the same anion, suppose we are discussing for oxide ion, क्लियर. अगर ऑक्साइड की स्टेबिलिटी की बात कर रहे हैं, एज वी मूव फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम, से इन फर्स्ट ग्रुप द साइज विल इंक्रीज. साइज इंक्रीज होगा तो लैटिस एनर्जी क्या होगी? साइज इंक्रीजेज द लैटिस एनर्जी डिक्रीजेज. मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या इंक्रीज हो रहा है? आर प्लस रेडियस ऑफ कैटायन इंक्रीजेज. रेडियस ऑफ कैटायन इंक्रीजेज, द लैटिस एनर्जी विल डिक्रीज. इफ लैटिस एनर्जी विल डिक्रीज, द थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी विल ऑल्सो decrease. So moving from top to bottom in a group, for monoatomic anions, the thermal stability decreases down the group. That is why if we say lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, clear. Now in these elements, if we move down the group, the size will increase. Size increase means the lattice energy will decrease and the thermal stability of their oxide will also decrease. Now there is a golden rule in inorganic chemistry. What is this rule? Rule is small cations stabilize small anions and large cations stabilize large anions. This is the rule. Clear. Now if we talk from at the top, lithium is the element, oxide is small in size, O2 minus, It is small in size. So the small size lithium will stabilize the oxide ion more efficiently as compared to the cesium which has large size. यहाँ पे मेटल का साइज बड़ा हो गया, कैटायन का साइज बड़ा हो गया, ऑक्साइड आयन का साइज छोटा है. So the lattice energy will be low. So a small cation will be able to stabilize a small anion efficiently, and therefore as the size increases down the group, the size difference between the cation and the anion increases. एनायन तो कॉमन है पर कैटायन का साइज इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो लैटिस एनर्जी डिक्रीज होगी एंड द थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी विल डिक्रीज. सो फॉर मोनोएटोमिक दिस इज द ऑर्डर. Now coming to polyatomic are those which are made up of more than one atoms. Carbonate, sulfate, bisulfate, sulfite, hydroxide. This is peroxide ion O2 2 minus, superoxide ion made of two oxygen atoms, nitrate ion, oxalate, chromate, bicarbonate. All these are polyatomic anions. In case of any polyatomic anion, the thermal stability is inversely proportional to the polarizing power of cation. Clear? So if the polarizing power increases, the thermal stability will decrease. So this is for polyatomic anions. If the polarizing power will increase, the thermal stability will decrease. Now on what factor polarizing power depends? It depends upon, the polarizing power is directly proportional to the charge on cation. Higher the charge on cation, more will be the polarizing power. It is inversely proportional to the size of cation. Means smaller the size of cation, cation का size जितना छोटा होगा उतनी ज़्यादा उसकी polarizing power होगी. Now if in the same group we discuss it from top to bottom, on moving from top to bottom, what will happen? The size will increase. Size increase होगा तो polarizing power will decrease because it is inversely proportional to the size of cation. तो size increase होगा, polarizing power decrease होगी. Polarizing power decrease होगी means covalent character will also decrease, because greater the polarizing power, greater the polarization, greater is the covalent character. तो polarizing power decrease होगी तो covalent character decrease होगा. That means ionic character will increase. If the covalent character is decreasing, that means ionic character will increase. So on moving down the group, the ionic character of the compound will increase. और अगर ionic character increase होगा तो thermal stability भी increase होगी. Because ionic compounds are thermally more stable than covalent compounds, because there is a greater force of attraction between the ions in ionic compound. So greater the ionic character, more will be the thermal stability, or we can say lower is the polarizing power of the cation, greater is the thermal stability. Now let us take an example. If you have lithium and you have a carbonate ion is, there is a resonance here and 2 minus charge on this. Okay, it is a small size cation and this is a large size anion. Now lithium will have a high polarizing power, so it will polarize the electron cloud of the this carbonate ion. Polarize the electron cloud, what does it mean? पोलराइज करेगा मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड किसकी तरफ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा? लिथियम की तरफ. नाउ फ्रॉम वेयर दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड इज बीइंग शिफ्ट, द इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड within the electron cloud that is present in the bonds, that will decrease. That means electron cloud within the anion, it will decrease. If it will decrease, the bond order that is present in the bond order of the bonds will also decrease. Bond order decrease होगा तो thermal stability भी decrease हो जाएगी. So what happens? Greater the polarizing power of the cation, the distortion of the electron cloud will be more, and if the distortion is more, the bonded electron cloud is shifted more towards the cation. That means the bond order within the bond will decrease and the thermal stability will also decrease. So what you have to remember in this? Just two main points. For monoatomic anions, thermal stability is directly proportional to lattice energy. For polyatomic anions, thermal stability is inversely proportional to the polarizing power of the cation. It increases down the group in case of polyatomic anions. It decreases down the group in case of monoatomic anions. Now let us arrange some of the compounds in the decreasing order of their thermal stability. See, let us take this one. All these are monoatomic. And in case of monoatomic anion, what you have studied, for monoatomic anion, the thermal stability is directly proportional to lattice energy. Down the group, lattice energy decreases, the thermal stability will decrease down the group. So for monoatomic anion, thermal stability decreases down the group. That is the order. So what will be the order? Thermal stability will decrease. In each case, the thermal stability will decrease on moving down the group. Clear? Now coming to polyatomic anions, what you have learned in polyatomic anions, in case of polyatomic anions, thermal stability is inversely proportional to polarizing power of cation and it increases down the group. Thermal stability increases down the group. So what will be the order? The thermal stability will increase on moving down the group. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. The cesium compounds will be thermally more stable in case of polyatomic anion. This is the order. So this is the general trend. If you know the general trend, you can very easily arrange all the given compounds in the increasing or decreasing order of their thermal stability. What you have to remember, for monoatomic anions, thermal stability decreases down the group because small cation stabilizes small anions efficiently. For polyatomic anions, thermal stability increases down the group because it is inversely proportional to the polarizing power of cation. That's all in this session. Thank you.